Nifty started its winning streak from yesterday onwards, and now Nifty pre-open for 19th Jan actually shows that we are currently in moving towards the northern territory. So officially the passport has been applicable for northern territory of Nifty, and we are probably seeing more positives in the upcoming session. This is Ashok, your host and host at Exotic Investment. Subscribe to this channel for everyday Nifty pre-open videos, and today I will be giving you the supports and resistances of Nifty, where it actually stands, where it actually supposed to reach in today's session. That is what we will actually cover in today's video, and that's the agenda. Though Indian markets are in a streak of winning, the positivity has actually come back. However, there is a possibility that we may see some retracement in today's session. Probably the negatives may actually cope up in today's session. The bears are probably overpowering in today's session. However, it is quite possible that at the level of 18,068 levels, we will still see that the market can go upwards towards the 18,168 to 18,200 levels. And yes, today is a session where probably the support at 18,068 will still be tested again, and more the times we actually test the same level of support, we are actually hitting it with a hammer. So more we hit it, it is more likely to collapse. That being said, today SGX Nifty is showing 80 points down move in today's session. And let's see what happened in yesterday's session in US markets. US markets actually are negative, totally negative, minus 1.5% and below in a session yesterday. S&P 500 was 62 points, that is 1.5% down, negative. Nasdaq was down by 1.2% at 146.9 points, and Dow Jones was down by 1.8% at 613 points. And SGX Nifty is actually showing the same negativity which actually happened in US markets. There was a decoupling effect which happened of Asian markets not following the US markets for some time. However, now the US markets have actually started influencing the Asian markets again. So SGX Nifty is showing 80 points down move. This will surely affect the gap down opening for Nifty as of now. Let me show you a 5-minute chart of Nifty futures in yesterday's session. Yesterday we opened somewhere around this level. Over here is where we actually opened, and I had told you in the beginning that it is quite possible that the market can actually collapse from here because it has actually reached the highest level in the Bollinger Band. What happened here is, rather than actually going down here, it actually went all the way in the Bollinger Band higher level itself, and afterwards the Bollinger Band also expanded. That shows that there is more positivity, there is more bull's grip in the session, and that's the great news that everyone is actually looking for. More the market actually goes up, the shares, the stocks, everything will actually grow up, and the investments will grow as well. That being said, the market actually went all the way higher, and yesterday it closed almost at the highest level of the Bollinger Band, and we have actually started seeing some side moves in yesterday's session. This is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty futures, Jan Nifty futures, which I am showing here, and it shows that there is a bit of sideways move. Probably today we will see some down move in the beginning, and afterwards it may take a down move. The Bollinger Band may take a down move, and afterwards it may see some up moves in the session towards the higher band as well. That is the Bollinger Bands for Nifty futures in 5 minutes chart. And let me show you where the Nifty actually stands for supports and resistances. The Nifty's supports and resistances for 19th Jan 2023 stands at the level of 18,068 and 18,000. Of course, now the EMA, the 20-day EMA has been crossed, and that will act as a support as well. 18,072 levels, almost equal to the Fibonacci retracement support, The 18,072 and 18,068 will act as a darling support, and below that we will act at the 17,963 levels, and 17,816 levels are the levels of support we have to actually look out for. Resistance, immediate resistance is at the median of the Bollinger Band, which is 18,200 levels. Obviously the numbers ending with zeros or anything ending with 50 is a very big resistance. So 18,200 is psychological resistance. However, the Bollinger Band is also showing that there is a exact resistance at 18,200, and 18,268 is a resistance, and 18,361 is a resistance. If we cross 18,361, 18,412 to 18,427 is very easily scalable in Nifty. Those are the supports and resistances. If at all you are actually looking for trading in Nifty today, we are almost near the resistance level, and the level at which we actually are trading, that is 18,160 is a resistance. So yeah, we have actually crossed 5 points above in the Nifty at the closure yesterday. However, it will still act as a resistance, because resistance is a zone. Always keep this in mind. Resistance is a zone, and you will see some resistance at that particular level of 18,160 levels. Yes, we will see a gap down opening as because SGX Nifty is actually showing 80 points down move, and US markets also have actually shown a total negativity in the session yesterday. Yes, we will have a gap down opening, and probably we will test the support at 18,068, and we may bounce back towards the higher resistance levels in today's session. So if you have to trade, wait till the support is actually tested at the 18,072, which is the EMA, 20-day EMA, and then we may bounce back in today's session. That's the Nifty pre-open analysis for 19th Jan, and let me show you a clean and clear strategy, intraday strategy, which actually is 67% accurate and makes you money on a regular basis. Some days it will not work, however some days it will make you exemplarious money. That being said, that's the Nifty futures trading strategy I will be showing you, which actually makes money regularly. So click on this particular video, and I will see you in that Nifty futures trading strategy which makes you money regularly. I will see you there.